Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wire work. You get your size 8 crystal, your long nose and your cutter. You get your copper wire 0.9 0.90 mm. First of all, you bring up your long nose, bend your copper wire, insert one size 8 crystal, cut the wire gently, screw the wire, insert another wire, add your size 8 crystal, cut the wire again, screw it, insert your wire again, add your size 8 crystal, cut the wire away, and screw it. Now continuously you continue to do it to this stage. You continue to do it till you get the length you deserve. So when you reach the edge, now we have gotten our own length here. You bring your wire and screw it in order to make the end. You screw it, do it like this and screw it. Now we get it. You now cut it away, because here are the pin, the one you use in closing them together. You will now bend the wire like this. You do the same to the second side. Put on your wire, screw it, cut it, and do the second side like this. Bend it and get your closing up pin. Now I'm going to put it on my hand and you'll see the beauty it brings out. So this is it. It is very beautiful. You do it within 5 minutes and get your results. Follow my channel for more videos. Subscribe to it, likes and comments. Thank you for watching. And press the notification for more videos. Subscribe to my channel Subscription does not take anything. Most of you does not know what subscription means. Some of you think that it's money, but it's not money. So just subscribe, just click that place in order for you to get new video from me. I'll be uploading video every three times every week. So please subscribe. Follow my Facebook page at Bridal Necklace and Room Decor. I will drop the link. Check the description board and you will see the link there. Follow there and learn more. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.
Yeah, man, don't tire.